Gravity causes aging and sagging, wrinkled skin. There is a special energy in life that works against gravity, and it can theoretically slow or reverse aging, but it declines with age. Outside of life, I discovered a similar energy. It is unstable and rare, but I invented a way to stabilize it and concentrate it. I call it the ageless secret. The highest amount is in the ageless secret renewal support formula. This special energy has 3 amazing properties. 1, it has the property of anti-gravity. 2, it can pass through matter like a magnet. 3, it creates structure. So let's begin. I'm going to take and pour distilled water into this pitcher. Now normally 200 mils of distilled water would weigh 200 grams. So we're just going to put some distilled water in here. And what we're going to demonstrate is that the energy in the product will make this water lighter. It'll weigh less than 200 grams. To do that, we're going to put the product on my skin. I'm spraying 8 sprays and rubbing my hands together. Now what's happening here is my personal energy is combining with the ageless secret. And it's going to allow me to pick up this bottle, which has 2 ounces of regular water in it. And what I'm going to do with this bottle of spring water, I'm going to put both hands around this bottle, and the energy from the ageless secret, my own personal energy, are combining and passing through the bottle like a magnet and creating microparticles. The microparticles have a gel-like coating on the outside. In the laboratory, they show a UV peak at 270 nanometers. On my skin, it will feel slippery, like a lotion. When I press it and crush it, it feels sticky like glue because the energy is stored inside. So when I break open the microparticles, it releases the energy and it feels sticky. Water does not normally feel sticky. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take this 200 ml flask and we're going to fill it up to the 200 ml mark and see what it actually weighs. So the first thing we do is turn on the scale, weigh the flask, and tear it out to 00. So now we have the flask torn out to 00. I'm going to take this water with the energy and spray it. So that's 50 sprays. That's enough to be able to show the change. I'm giving it a mix here, and I'm going to fill this flask to the line. So I bring it pretty close, and then what I'll use a dropper to bring it right up to the line. What we say is the meniscus of the water reaches the line. So I put it on the scale, and we see what it reads. It says it weighs 199.4. 199.5. So that's the amount that the water weighs. It should weigh 200 grams, and it weighs less. So what we'll do now is we'll add additional water to bring it up to the 200 gram mark. And that is the amount of extra water that we've added. So there's 2 ways to show the energy in the product. The first way was to show that it weighs less than 200 grams. Now you can see the additional water above the line showing you we had to add more water because it's lighter. So now this is actually showing you the extra amount of water that was necessary to weigh 200 grams. So that extra amount of water is amazing. That's a lot of water above the line. So what we're looking at here is proof of the anti-gravity energy that's in the product. This energy lifts, plump, tones, and tightens skin. It supports renewal. And what we have here is a new category of skincare, announcing anti-gravity skincare.